Every time someone leaves, your food safety program gets weaker. Picture this. Your most reliable production lead just gave 2 weeks' notice. She is the one who knows where the monitoring records go, who remembers why that procedure was written the way it was, and who new staff turn to when they have a question. And when she leaves, all of that goes with her. For medium-sized food manufacturers, this is one of the fastest ways a food safety program starts to fall apart. Not dramatically, gradually, until your next audit reveals it. I am Felicia Liu, a food safety consultant at SFPM Consulting. I work with food manufacturers who have a program in place but need to make sure it is strong enough to survive the team changes that are just part of running a business. The fix is not hiring better, it is building a program where the knowledge lives in the system, not in a person. Clear procedures, consistent training, records that actually tell the story. If you are heading into a certification or retailer audit and you are not confident your program is people-proof, let us talk. Check the link in the video description to book a strategy call or register for one of our upcoming webinars.